This is the top comment from last week's YouTube video. Allow me to share. Bill Durr had this to say: I'd love to see this full scale over safety cone orange. I feel like we don't ever see these bright colors over cars. I want to see some vibrant, color shifting full car videos. Bill, I hear you. And I think Gabe and I can help. So right over here, we've got our 3 Series, and it has that safety cone orange base coat that you were asking for. And then Gabe and I were thinking, okay, you want to see some bright color shifting videos. What's our brightest hypershift color shift? Gabe.
ZRG.
ZRG. You can see it in the powder. It is bright, and it is even brighter once it's sprayed. ZRG shifts from like orange to green to red.
Gold.
It's gold. It's all over the map. Now, we've sprayed it over black. We've never sprayed it over orange. So we should be in line here for a very bright, color shifting full car. Right?
I hope so.
Pigment load?
Full?
Full? Meaning?
25 grams.
25 grams a gallon. See, we were talking about this a little bit. I kind of feel like 25 grams per gallon might be overkill because we're going orange over orange. But I think Gabe's right. There's a lot of tones that we're going to be asking out of the ZRG to come alive and overtake some of that orange. So 25 grams is probably the safer bet. So here's ZRG. This is an underutilized, not well known, intense hypershift. I don't care if you're using peelable paint or permanent paint. If you're looking for one of the craziest colors in the world, ZRG is probably going to be it. So right off the bat, I'm seeing the orange, the amber flares. The top of this jar is completely on fire.
Yeah, it looks like a jar of fire to me.
So let me show it to you over the old stick of truth here. Yeah, I'm starting to think that 25 grams per gallon is more and more correct. Okay, so over a stick of truth in this pigment load, you get a little bit of those deeper tones showing. Like right here it comes alive, and then the reds and the greens. But once we build this up, especially over orange, it's going to get nutty. We've got the safety cone orange down. The ZRG is mixed up and ready. Gabe, you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and you know the primary goal here was to create a bright, vibrant, color-shifting car. And whether or not we accomplish that, I'm going to leave that up to you. Take a real good look at the end result here. Leave a comment below and rate this one for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you don't. And I know there's going to be people that want to replicate this exact look. So we took everything that we used in today's video and we made it into a car kit. There's a link in the description box below. It'll include everything you need to get the job done, just like we did in this video. Now, if you want to play with any of our paints, we've got everything in peelable, permanent, lots of stuff to look at. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had an absolute blast on this one. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you in the next one.